Okay, so here we are underneath the unit, and we got Johnny right here, Big John, who you met probably. Let's see, they met you last time when we had Gary and everybody here, right?
Maybe so.
Yeah, right on, brother. He's good. He's doing great, man. This guy, I got him working night and day and he's doing a great job. So he fixed this thing. Why don't you go ahead?
Yeah, so we changed out two belts. There's the platter mechanism belt here, which is the larger one, and that right here drives the clamp. So your platter belt is down here and the clamp. So both those belts that were in there had just deteriorated. So one of them had lost its elasticity and it's got some dry rot, and the other one is kind of in the same belt, same boat. So we replaced those two belts and cleaned everything up, and now we're just checking the components to make sure there's no swollen caps or cold solders or anything out of the usual, and we're going to put it back together and give it a test run.
Yeah, okay, cool. I was looking at this a second ago, but look at those. Who recognizes those resistors? Those are Reich and Ohm, the Japanese hi-fi resistors, like really killer. I mean, this thing, the build quality is nuts. You know, look how they route the wires and everything. Like,
look at the XLR inputs.
Let's see. Let's go back here. Oh yeah, they got the Neutrix on back there.
Yeah,
looks like
beefed up.
Yep, fully. Oh yeah, look at this. Like, hand soldered. You know, I mean, this was obviously built by hand. Like, look at how the wires are all twisted and everything. It's amazing. So, what a unit. What a piece. Look, those are huge caps, but I don't even know what those are. Just like sort of proprietary deal globs or something. Anyways, so yeah, we'll fire it up in a second and we'll listen to it and see how she sounds. All right, we'll see you in a second. Okay, folks, so let's see how Big John fixed this puppy. Let's see, hit it. Look at this thing. Ooh, like butter. Ooh, smooth sailing. That's gorgeous. That thing, even when we fixed it with the belts, when it was first coming out, it would come in and out, but it would like sticky, shuddery. So now she's dialed. That's pretty killer. We're going to see how it sounds soon.